Welcome to my channel once again. Today we are looking at a nice challenge which says x to the power of x to the power of 7 is equal 7. Then the question says your x is equal to what? So we are looking for the value of x in this nice exponential challenge. As you can see from the board above, we are having an exponential on top of an exponential. So we are having x to the power of x to the power of 7 equals 7. So how can we resolve this nice challenge? So if you are new to this channel, click on the subscription button and hit up the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release videos on mathematics. So let's see how we can resolve this. Resolving this, we can then write down the question which says x to the power of x or 7 is equals to 7. So we can simply take, we are having x to the power of x to the power of 7. So how can we resolve this? The first thing we are going to do, let's take y to be equals to x to the power of 7. Y to be equals to x to the power of 7. Okay, at the same time we are going to look for y. So if we want to make y to be the shortest formula, according to the principle of indices, if we have y, if we have a equals to b to the power of 1 all over 2, or we have b to the power of 2, we can write this again to be the square of a equals to the square of b squared. So this and this will cancel off. So we're now having our b to be equals to the square of a. So in place of this, we are seeing this to be 7. So we can take both sides, we can take the roots, the 7th root of both sides. So doing that, we can have the 7th root of y equals to the 7th root of x to the power of what? Of 7. So this and this will cancel off. So we are now having our x is also equals to 7th root of y. And from indices again, if we have the square root of a, square root of a is also equals to a to the power of 1 all over 2. So in place of this, we can write x to be equals to y to the power of 1 all over 7 because we are having 7 here. Okay, having done this, we are having our x to be equals to x to the power of, so our y to be equals to x to the power of 7, and our x to be equals to y to the power of 1 all over 7. Then going back to our previous question, which says x to the power of x to the power of 7 is equal 7. So in place of there, so what is our x? Our x is equals to y to the power of 1 all over 7, and our y is equals to what? X to the power of what? Of 7. So we can write this to be y to the power of 1 all over 7, close bracket, to the power of what? Of y is equal 7. Okay, having done this, principle from indices again says if we are having a to m, open bracket, n is also equals to a m times n. So applying this rule here, we will now have y to the power of 1 all over 7 times y is equals to 7. Okay, having done that, so we are having our y to be y all over 7 is equal 7. Is equal 7. So how can we resolve for y? Resolving for y, we can take the power of 7 to both sides in order to what? To remove the 7. So doing that, we are now having our y to the power of y all over 7 times 7 is equals to 7 to the power of 7. So this and this will cancel off. So okay, so since we are now having y to the power of y is equals to 7 to the power of 7, by comparison, our y is equals to 7. And recall we said our y is also equals to x to the power of what? Of 7. So doing this, we can say x to the power of 7 is equal 7. So how can we resolve for x? We can resolve for x by taking the 7th root of both sides. So doing that, we can say the 7th root of x to the power of 7 is equals to the 7th root of 7. So this and this will cancel off. So our x is equal to 7, the root of 7. So we can write this We can write this again to be x is equals to 7 to the power of 1 all over 7. So this is the value for x. So if you find this video interesting and useful, you can click on the subscription button and bye for now.